In today's video, I'll guide you on how you'd be able to delete your group. So let's get started. So if you'd want to delete your Facebook group in here, you should log in into the account first that has permission to delete your Facebook group, or like you were the owner. So from here, what you need to do once you're logged in, tap on your menu button on the bottom right. Once you're here, you would want to tap on the groups button right here under your shortcuts. So you have friends, professional dashboard, feeds, and we have groups. So you want to tap on that. And then once you're here, you would want to tap on manage right here on the last one, as you can see there on your menu. So if you can see the group in here, then you could go into your groups. And from here, you can search for it. I'm going to go and search for it. It's named sample, which is this one. So now you would want to tap on it. Once you're here, is that you just simply want to go into the manage button right there. And then once you're here, is you will now be able to see all the members, because before you would be able to delete your group, you would need to kick out all the members first. So you would want to go here into the members. So you could do that by going into the people right here on tool shortcuts. And then you should now be able to see it here. So we have the friends right here. So you could tap on that user. And now from here, you can now tap on remove from group. So you want to tap on that. And from here, you can now ban or just delete. But yeah, those are just optionals. So I'm just going to tap here on confirm. All right, so now once the members are all removed, you want to now go back in here into the manage button. And then once you're here under manage group again, you want to scroll simply all the way down. And then you should see the delete group option right here at the bottom right. You want to tap on that and tap on delete group to finalize the group deletion. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.